Start investing today and grow your wealth. Learn about different types of investments, how to make them work for you, and the risks and rewards associated. Tune in now for the ultimate investing guide. Are you looking to invest and grow your wealth but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Investing can be intimidating and overwhelming, but with a little knowledge, guidance, and preparation, you can be successful. Join us as we break down the different types of investments, how to make them work for you, and the risks and rewards associated with each one. Make the most of your money and plan ahead. Watch now. Subscribe to the NetWealth channel and keep watching to learn the best strategies for making the most of your money and planning for your future. With our help, you can become an expert investor and reach your financial goals. Investing comes in different forms, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Stocks are shares of a company that are listed on the stock exchange. When their prices go up or down, you can buy and sell them to make money. Bonds are loans that you make to companies or governments. When they pay you back, you get interest. Mutual funds bundle together different investments like stocks and bonds. This spreads out the risk and can give you better returns in the long run. In short, investing can help you reach your goals. Whether you want higher returns than a bank offers or you want to make money from dividends from public companies, there's an investment that's right for you. Investment vehicles provide different features for you to invest in, depending on your portfolio goals. Stocks let you own a part of a company, bonds let you loan money and gain interest when the loan is paid back, and mutual funds pull together many investments as one package. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, act like stocks, giving you trading opportunities, while options give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price at some point in time before its expiration date. Futures also give you control to buy or sell an asset later rather than now, but you need to pay attention to the expiration dates. Real estate is a common investment vehicle, which includes physical properties such as buildings and land parcels, as well as commodities like gold and raw materials that can be bought and sold through markets. To make the most of your investments, you need to understand the risks associated with each asset class. This will help you create a portfolio that balances risks and rewards. What strategy should you use? When it comes to investing, it's important to understand the risk-reward model. This means that you have to accept some uncertainty and potential losses in order to gain something of value over time. How much risk you take on should depend on your goals and how much you're willing to lose. Investing can bring rewards like long-term growth or dividends from stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. These can bring financial gains that you can enjoy now and in the future. When planning your investments, it's important to set specific goals so you know what kind of return rate you're looking for. Are money preservation and security more important than higher returns? Having a roadmap will help you stay focused and measure your progress against your objectives. So, what kind of investor do you want to be? Do you want to take a short-term or long-term approach? Are you looking for an aggressive or conservative approach? What are the potential benefits of seeking professional advice when it comes to investment decisions? Creating a plan for setting financial goals before investing is essential. It helps you identify your short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals, develop strategies to reach those targets using the right resources, and manage risks associated with the investments. Having a plan in place can help you prepare for unexpected surprises by doing research on each investment opportunity. This knowledge allows you to make decisions about how to allocate your money towards an asset or goal that will help you reach your desired outcome, whether it be capital appreciation or income generation from things like interest dividends. Analyzing different investment opportunities is important for achieving your targets, since markets and trading can change quickly. Evaluating each option in relation to your goals can make all the difference between success and failure when trying to get lucrative returns in the future. Before investing, it's important to think about how much risk you're comfortable with and how long you plan to hold the asset. Diversifying your investments across different assets can help reduce the risk of losing money. When selecting individual stocks, you should look at things like the price-to-earnings ratio, return on equity, ROE, and relative strength index to help increase potential gains and reduce the risk of losses from overbought markets. Having a plan before investing can help you avoid big losses due to market shifts. Take your time to evaluate each option and consider the rate of return versus the risk involved. Doing this will help you maximize returns and feel comfortable with both short-term goals like income generation and long-term goals like capital appreciation, even in uncertain economic times. Taxes can have a big impact on how much money you make from investing, so it's important to understand the different rules around taxes. Long-term investments usually have lower taxes than short-term investments, and you should think about dividends as well as buying and selling stocks to get the best results. It's also a good idea to get professional advice about your individual investment strategy. This can help you make decisions that maximize your returns or minimize the risks associated with certain types of investments. When talking about getting help from financial advisors, it's important to remember that they can help you with different milestones, like tax planning before filing deadlines, reviewing and optimizing your retirement savings, like an IRA or a 401k before you start taking money out, and understanding complex ETF trading dynamics. They can also give you guidance based on the knowledge of the market, so you can take proactive steps instead of being reactive. Finally, you should ask yourself if relying only on self-directed investments without getting advice from professionals could have a negative impact on your long-term goals. What are the potential benefits of seeking professional advice when it comes to investment decisions? Taxes can have a big impact on how much money you make from investing. They can reduce your returns, meaning your investments may not do as well as they could with lower taxes. To get the most benefit and minimize tax liability over time, it's important to get advice advice from qualified financial advisors who understand more complex situations like different rules around capital gains or losses across countries or states. Advisors can also provide ongoing support so you don't miss out on opportunities due to market changes that are out of your control, like interest rates changing too quickly for you to react. They can help you develop strategies like asset allocation models and rebalancing your portfolio regularly to optimize your portfolio performance and fit your investment goals when markets change. Having expert advice can give you confidence when considering which investments to include in your portfolio. To effectively and efficiently monitor your investment portfolio, you need to review it regularly, since what works now might not work tomorrow depending on the economic and market situation. Keeping track of prices and payment status can give you insight into whether adjustments need to be made. Setting limits can help you achieve successful outcomes. What steps do you take to make sure you're getting the results you want? When it comes to monitoring your portfolio, it's important to be consistent and accurate. Regularly review your investments to understand how they're performing against your goals and market trends. This helps you decide which adjustments you need to make. The goal isn't just to make sure the prices of individual stocks or securities stay the same, but also that your overall investment strategy remains consistent with asset allocation models. This means keeping a certain ratio between riskier assets like stocks and more secure ones like bonds or cash equivalents. Rebalancing allows you to make sure your portfolio holdings stay in the proportions you want, even if things like changing economic conditions or currency fluctuations change them. It's also important to get advice from financial advisors. They have access to analytics tools designed specifically for portfolios across different kinds of asset classes. Plus, technology today makes investing easier than ever before. Brokerage apps streamline transactions on stock exchanges, and robo-advisors provide algorithms used by bots programmed by sophisticated engineers. These bots can automate decisions about buying and selling opportunities tailored to each user's profile and preferences around growth potential and income generation objectives. So, how can individuals use technology and data analysis to track their progress over time? Brokerage apps like Robinhood, Stash, and M1 Finance make it easier to trade on stock exchanges. They also provide educational information so that people who are new to investing can understand the markets they're entering before deciding which investments are right for them. Robo-advisors such as Betterment and Wealthfront use algorithms created by engineers to analyze data points related to performance projection. This helps them give personalized recommendations tailored to individual goals like growth potential or income generation over time. These tools also typically offer services like automatic rebalancing when market conditions change too quickly for manual intervention, and portfolio constructions based on an investor's risk tolerance level. These are all important elements for any successful investment strategy. Thanks to these tech advances, anyone interested in investing can easily access financial markets from anywhere with low costs. This is much better than traditional brokerages, which often charge higher fees. App development designs first appeared around 2002-2003 and have been improved since then with high-frequency algorithmic programming techniques. This has created competitive advantages that weren't possible even 10 years ago. This momentum is multiplying and propelling us forward into unexplored areas of data science analytics. This gives decision makers more leverage, but also more responsibility. So it's important to use intuition and conscience when making decisions. Automated technologies can replace some tasks, but could this create a logical loop that disrupts the universe in unexpected ways? Investing can help you reach your goals, whether it be for capital appreciation or income generation. It's important to understand the risks associated with each asset class and how to create a portfolio that balances risks and rewards. Doing research on each investment opportunity and evaluating each option in relation to your goals can help you maximize returns and minimize the risks. Financial advisors can provide professional advice on taxes, retirement savings, and complex ETF trading dynamics. It's also important to monitor your portfolio regularly and adjust it when necessary. With the help of technology and data analysis, anyone interested in investing can access financial markets with low costs. However, it's important to use intuition and conscience when making decisions. Are you ready to take your investing to the next level? With 9 high-risk, high-reward ways to make money online, you could be making more money than you ever thought possible. But don't wait, these strategies are only available for a limited time. So what are you waiting for? Check out the next video now and start making money online.